Hello friends, welcome to my channel Isles with Sash. So here I'm going to present in front of you another cue card, that is cue card number 3. So in this particular cue card we'll talk about a happy event. Okay, so without wasting any time, let's get started with our next cue card, that is describe a time when you organized a happy event successfully. You should say what the event was, how you prepared for it, who helped you to organize it, and why you think it was a successful event. So obviously you are going to talk about any of the happy moment of your life. It could be any of the birthday party, any of the wedding, any of the engagement ceremony. Okay, that would be organized by a brother, right, for her sister, and the retirement party when our parents got retired, and my favorite, that is 25th anniversary party. So this is quite trendy these days. People used to celebrate this 25th anniversary, and they organized a party for that. Freshers party for sure, but we'll not talk about the farewell, because farewell party we received. We never, organized. Maybe we can organize farewell party for our seniors. You can talk about, but you'll not talk about your farewell party for sure. Okay. Okay, now, so let's get started. Well, I had came across a lot of happy moments in my life, but here I would like to talk about the brother's surprise birthday party that was organized by me at my home during lockdown. As a matter of fact, my brother always remained excited about his birthday as he usually celebrated it with his college friends. However, he was a little upset last year as everything was closed due to lockdown and none of his best friend would be with him on his special day. So, an idea popped up in my mind to organize a surprise birthday party for him. I planned it with my bestie, whose house was at a stone's throw distance from my home. She suggested me to bake a cake at her place as it would be more convenient to hide. Then we decided to decorate the room with foil balloons, paper cuttings, roses, and foil curtains. I also printed my brother's childhood pictures to hang in the room. We ordered all the stuff online and it was delivered to her house in 5 days. Finally, the day came. I reframed all my family members from wishing him. We pretended to forget his birthday. My mother sent him with his father for some walk. Meanwhile, we started decorating the room. The cake was baked already a day before. We decorated it with chocolate temperings, Oreo biscuits, original chocolates, and gems. It looked sumptuous. The duty of preparing delicious snacks was handed over to my mother. She prepared my brother's favorite dishes such as noodles, Manchurian, pav bhaji, burger, and many more. We placed the cake in the middle of the room on the table decorated with flowers. Every single thing was beautifully placed, and the whole environment was quite exciting. We also set speakers in the corner of the room. I was really satisfied with all the preparations. Then finally, my brother entered the house with heavy heart as he was feeling that nobody remembered his birthday. But when he saw the whole room decorated, he was so overwhelmed with the situation that he started crying. I hugged him. Then we cut the cake, danced a lot, and enjoyed the delicious food. All in all, it was one of the happiest days of my life. So you can see how easy this cue card is. Means just I just talk about the surprise birthday party for my brother. I mean for his birthday. So you could talk about any of the happy event, any of the happy moment of your life. So that's all for today. I hope you liked my video, and if you liked my video, do like, do share, and do subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.